Meaning of expectancy.
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 Expectancy. Expectancy refers to a person's belief or anticipation about the likelihood of a particular outcome or future event. It is a cognitive construct that can shape and influence behavior, emotions, and decision-making. Expectancies can be based on personal experiences, social norms, cultural values, or other sources of information. For example, if someone expects that studying hard for an exam will lead to good grades, they are more likely to put in effort and time into studying. Conversely, if they expect failure, they may not try as hard or may give up altogether.